Hi guys, welcome back to Wellness with Apurva with me Apurva Jayarajan. In this video, I am going to be reviewing the new ColourFit Pro 3 by Noise and discussing the features in detail and answering some of the questions that you guys had on my Instagram. So let's get right to it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I drop more videos. So the ColourFit Pro 3 by Noise is a new launch and they sent me this for reviewing. You can watch that video that I've done on my Instagram right here. But I did ask you guys if you had any specific questions related to the watch, as in its new features, what have they added, what have they gotten rid of. So I'll be answering some of those questions, so stay tuned till the end of the video and you can make a better choice if you need to invest in this watch or no. So first things first, the look and feel of the watch. I definitely feel that it is an upgrade from the ColourFit Pro 2. I've been using the ColourFit Pro 2 for almost all of last year and I can definitely feel that there is a huge upgrade in the way this watch feels and looks. I feel that this really pops on the wrist, and whenever I wear this on my Instagram stories, I get a million questions from you guys. So definitely looks much better and much cleaner. The watch boasts of a 1.55-inch HD display which results in great colors, higher contrast, easier to navigate panels, and I feel that is a huge major upgrade from the ColourFit Pro 2. There's also a 320 by 360 resolution and also a full touch screen, which does make it definitely very easy on the eyes, and it's super easy, very good to navigate around. There's also different kinds of straps that you can attach to your smartwatch that you can buy off the website, but I personally like the rose gold one. I received the jet black from the brand, and even after I requested the brand to send me a tighter strap because this does not fit me as snugly on my wrist, they refused to send me another one, so that's that. But I do love the rose gold one, and if you have an option to go for that, I definitely recommend that you go for the rose gold one. It looks way classier than this one. Next up, is it adaptable with Android or Apple? Yes, it is. I use this with my OnePlus 7T and I find that the app pairs really easily with the smartwatch. You would need to uninstall and reinstall the app if you've been using the ColourFit Pro 2 just like me before this one. The app is really helpful to understand your sleep patterns in depth, change the watch faces if you're looking for different kinds of watch faces, upgrade your smartwatch from time to time, and details like that. So yes, it is necessary to download the app and it is adaptable with both Android and Apple. So let's discuss some of the exciting new features that they have introduced on the ColourFit Pro 3 and upgraded from the ColourFit Pro 2. The first one is the SpO2 meter, which tracks your blood oxygen. It's a great addition in today's time and it's very handy to check your blood oxygen on the go. Now of course it does not replace the traditional, the more scientifically proven one, but it is very handy. So you can track your blood oxygen and be aware of the changing levels of oxygen in your body and take the necessary steps to keep it balanced. Super handy feature and I totally recommend. Next up is the stress meter, which keeps track of your stress levels. Also, there is a stress check meter that prompts you to relax and practice deep breathing with a prompter that asks you if you're feeling stressed. I really found this feature very handy and super intelligent coming from a smartwatch. So it measures your stress levels and you can take some much needed break time to practice mindful breathing techniques with the guided breathing sessions inbuilt inside the watch. Super amazing feature and I really love it. Next up is the breathe feature, just like I spoke about in the previous segment. There are 3 different breathing modes on the breathe feature, which is the slow, normal and rapid breathing, and you can choose timings from up to 1 minute to 5 minutes to breathe along to. I use these on days when I need to meditate or I give myself a break or something, and I find this feature really calming, really handy and super effective. Let's talk about the 14 different workout modes that the smartwatch boasts of. There's indoor and outdoor running, there's indoor and outdoor walking, there's outdoor and indoor cycling, there's also yoga, there's elliptical, there's the rower, there's pool swimming, there's open water swimming, cricket and hiking mode, and most importantly a workout mode that tracks for cardio workouts or HIIT workouts or stuff like that. So there's 3 different ways that you can track these different workouts. There's an open goal mode, there's a time based mode, and there's a calories burnt mode. So it gives you a really in-depth understanding of the way you want to track your workout. Let's talk about the 24/7 beats per minute heart rate monitor. Now, obviously this is again not going to replace the real deal, but it's great if you're checking your heart rate constantly and you can see your heart rate move up and down when you're performing some kind of cardio exercise or a HIIT workout, or you're running, or you're feeling stressed, and that I find that feature is really helpful, very handy, and it's an awesome feature in my opinion. Next up we have sleep tracking. Now, if you wear this watch while sleeping and want to understand the quality of your sleeping, or you want to better the quality of your sleep, this watch gives you a great understanding of the duration of the sleep, the quality of REM sleep that you're getting, the deep sleep and the light sleep that you can check out on the app. So if you can definitely check out that feature if you get your hands on this smartwatch. I really nerded out with this feature and I went into a whole thing with checking how much of deep sleep and REM sleep I was getting. So I really love that feature and I hope you guys will too. This watch also comes with an auto sport recognition, which means that it's a really intelligent feature on this kind of a budget smartwatch. So if you're walking or running and the watch recognizes this as an activity, it automatically starts tracking it, which is super intelligent, and I love that feature. Then we have the usual calling, SMS notification options, which you can choose to notify if you don't have your phone with you all the time and you need to be reminded or notified when you get a call or an SMS. This is a great feature. Now let's talk about the battery life. Very important, and I think a lot of you asked me this question. On a single charge, this takes up to 8 to 9 days on a single charge to completely drain out of battery, even though the box claims that it takes up to 10 days. But again, that depends on your usage. So I feel that this goes up to 8 to 9 days very comfortably on a single charge, which is pretty great for a smartwatch in this budget. Then there's also a female health tracker that helps you to track those days of the month. It reminds you of your fertile days and menstrual cycle, so you can pair it with your Google Fit or any other menstrual tracking app, and this watch does give you prompts as to what your days of the month are and when you're in your ovulation stage or when you're in your fertile day stage, which is super great. Now, is it waterproof? Yes, the watch is splash proof and also dive proof. The watch claims a 5 ATM dive feature. So without getting into too much of the technicalities, it means that the watch definitely does have a waterproof feature. It survives most splashes, and it also is able to take when your hands are wet or extremely sweaty. So that definitely makes the watch waterproof. Besides these features, there's also a sedentary reminder to remind you to move if you've been sitting too long all day. So I love that feature, one of my most favorite features. There is also a hand wash reminder, which is super handy if you handle things all the time and you need to be reminded to keep sanitizing and washing your hands frequently. which is the hand wash reminder. Then we have the usual weather updates and the alarm and the stopwatch feature that I'm sure that a lot of other watches in this category also have. There is also a Find My Phone feature, which is super helpful if you keep misplacing your phone or keep losing it. It is a very handy feature. Then let's talk about the remote music controls. It helps to keep your hands free when you're listening to music on the move. I use it when I'm walking or I'm running. I have my phone generally in my jacket pocket and I don't keep wanting to remove it. And you can remotely pause, play, stop, or listen to the next song in your Spotify playlist. All you need to do is pair it with the app. All in all, at a price point of 4,499, I think that this is a great budget smartwatch in the market, and you should definitely consider investing in it if you're serious about your fitness and your lifestyle. Personally, I am super happy with the watch as it checks all the major requirements that you expect out of a budget smartwatch, and it is a great investment if that is what you're looking for. So you can find the link to buy the watch in the description below. This is not a sponsored video, don't worry, I won't be getting any of the affiliates to this, and you can definitely go check out the watch for yourself. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found this video useful. As always, check out my other videos here and don't forget to stay subscribed to my channel and comment below letting me know what watch are you currently using. I would love to know. As always, you will find me in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep practicing and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. Namaste.